Hello, junior scientists. I'm Professor Hootington, and today we're going on a wild, whoo-tastic journey. Ever heard of an owl pellet? It's not poop. It's something way cooler. So grab your gloves and curiosity. We're going to explore what's inside. Owls are amazing hunters. They gobble up their food like mice or insects, whole. But their tummies can't digest bones and fur, so they cough it up later in a little grey ball called a pellet. Neat, right? Most owls hunt at night using super sharp eyes and ears. When they catch a mouse, they swallow it whole, no chewing. Their bellies keep the soft stuff and pack the rest into a tidy pellet, kind of like nature's recycle bin. Before we dig in, safety first. Always wear gloves, use tweezers, and wash your hands after. Owl pellets are totally safe if you handle them the right way. Ready to investigate like real scientists? Let's crack it open. Look carefully as you gently pull apart the pellet. What's that? A tiny skull, maybe a leg bone. Each little piece is a clue about what the owl ate. It's like solving a mystery. Studying pellets helps scientists, just like you, understand owl diets and habitats. If you find lots of mouse bones, that tells us owls are keeping rodent numbers down. Go! Owls! Go! Owl pellets are a window into nature's food web. Owls eat mice, mice eat seeds, and so on. Each animal plays a role. By studying pellets, we learn how nature stays balanced and healthy. Now it's your turn. Draw or write what bones you found. How many skulls? Any surprise bones? Share your discoveries with your class. It's like being a wildlife detective. Hooray! You just finished your first owl pellet investigation. Now you know how owls hunt, what they eat, and how they help nature. Keep asking questions and exploring. Science is all around you. Hooray, young scientists! You've done an owl-standing job today exploring owl pellets, discovering bones, and learning about the food chain. I'm so proud of your curious minds and science smarts. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Wonder Lab Kids, for more exciting science adventures. And hit that bell so you never miss an experiment. This is Professor Hootington saying, hoo-hoo until next time.